Hey Tech fam, if you're rocking an iPad in 2025, you know it's more than just a tablet. It's your portable workstation, sketchpad, and entertainment hub. But to unlock its full potential, you need the right accessories. Today, I'm covering the must-have iPad accessories of 2025 that take productivity, creativity, and portability to the next level. From power banks and USB-C hubs to styluses, cases, and keyboards, I've tested them all in real-world scenarios. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know exactly which accessories are worth investing in. And don't forget to check the description for links. Need a case that's protective, adjustable, and works like a stand? EIP has you covered. The EIP case for iPad, 16 or 11th 10th generation, is more than a cover. It's a versatile productivity tool. It features an adjustable hinge stand that works in both portrait and landscape modes, perfect for Zoom calls, sketching, or video editing. I tested it while watching a 2-hour movie and typing on a keyboard. The viewing angles are solid, and the auto-wake sleep feature saves battery. Bonus. It supports dual device use, meaning you can keep your iPad and another tablet handy in one setup. The sleek design doesn't add bulk, so it's ideal for commuters and travelers who want protection without sacrificing portability. Need a protective, adjustable all-around case? Check out the EIP case in the description. Want your iPad to do it all? This USB-C hub turns it into a full workstation. The Anker 5.55 USB-C hub is a must-have for anyone who wants full connectivity on the go. This compact hub packs 8 ports into a sleek aluminum design, including USB-A, USB-C, HDMI for 4K 3840 by 2160 video output, Ethernet, and SD/micro SD card readers. In real-world testing, I hooked it up to my iPad A16, plugged in a USB flash drive, a monitor via HDMI, and an external SSD simultaneously, and everything ran smoothly without lag. The 100-watt power delivery means your iPad stays charged while running multiple peripherals. Whether you're a student handling files, a content creator, transferring media, or just someone who hates juggling adapters, this hub is a game changer for productivity and connectivity. Want to turn your iPad into a full workstation? Grab the Anker 5.55 USB-C hub in the description. Running out of battery mid-flight or class? This power bank keeps you alive and charged. The Anker Prime power bank is a high-capacity, ultra-portable charger designed for iPads, laptops, and phones. With 20,000 mAh capacity and 200-watt output, it charges multiple devices simultaneously through 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port. I tested it on a 12-hour flight with my iPad, iPhone, and wireless headphones. The bank powered all devices without draining completely. The digital display shows precise battery percentages, which is a lifesaver when you need to plan your charge. Bonus. It's TSA approved, so no airport hassles. For travelers, students, or remote workers, this power bank ensures your devices stay alive no matter where you are. Want all-day power for your iPad and devices? Check out the Anker Prime power bank in the description. Want a laptop-like typing experience on your iPad? This keyboard case is a game changer. The EIP Magnetix keyboard case transforms your iPad into a mini laptop. It has a magnetic detachable keyboard with 7-color backlighting, perfect for typing in low-light conditions or during night classes. The adjustable hinge stand allows portrait and landscape orientations, ideal for watching movies or working on spreadsheets. Real-world test. I wrote a 3,000-word article with it, and the key travel and tactile response felt surprisingly natural, almost like a MacBook keyboard. The protective case keeps your iPad safe from drops and scratches, and the patented stylus shortcut keys make accessing the Apple Pencil tools instantaneous. For students, writers, and creatives, this is a must-have accessory for productivity. Want a full typing experience on your iPad? Grab the EIP Magnetix keyboard case via the description. Want pixel-perfect drawing and note-taking on your iPad? The Pencil 2 is your magic wand. The EIP Pencil 2 is a magnetic stylus compatible with most iPads from 2018 to 2025, including A16, M2/M3, and Pro models. With 0.1mm precision tips, it's perfect for drawing, sketching, note-taking, and annotations. Real-world test. I tried digital painting in Procreate, and the pressure sensitivity and tilt support made shading and strokes feel natural, almost like a real pencil. The magnetic attachment keeps it safe when not in use, and the durable tips last much longer than standard styluses. Whether you're an artist, designer, or note-taker, this stylus dramatically enhances iPad creativity. Want perfect precision and durability for drawing on iPad? Grab the EIP Pencil 2 in the description. And that's it, the must-have iPad accessories for 2025. From Anker's USB-C hub for full connectivity, Anker Prime power bank for all-day charge, Magnetix keyboard case for productivity, EIP Adjustable Case for protection and viewing, to EIP Pencil 2 for drawing precision. These accessories turn your iPad into a portable workstation, sketchpad, and entertainment hub. Real-world tests prove they're durable, versatile, and perfect for work, creativity, or travel. Check the description for links to grab your favorites, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech reviews and iPad tips.